Well, the worst kept secret in Supercross has been made official today, and that is that Chase Sexton has joined Kawasaki, Monster Energy Kawasaki, obviously moving over from the KTM team, and this is no surprise to anybody ever. This has been a pretty well known thing for a while, but on his Instagram saying, quote, "Let the good times roll. Very thankful and excited for this new chapter with an awesome group of people and a company I've always wanted to be a part of since I was little. It's a dream come true, and I'm very excited for 26 and beyond. See y'all at the races." Now, correct me in the comments below, whatever. How long is this contract? As far as I can see, I don't have anything on length. Everything says 26. So is this a 1 year with an option? This is a 2 year. I highly cannot believe that someone of, the Chase Sexton championship level, whatever you want to call it, is going to be on a 1 year deal. I mean, look, they gave Jorge Prado 3 years. And yes, he is a, multi-time MXGP world champion, but, obviously Chase in his own right is 23 Supercross and 24 motocross. I think that's correct. Again, if I'm wrong, you'll go down to the comments and correct me. Anyways, but this is huge. And obviously, what a way to announce this. Fly to Hawaii, have this super cool Supercross track right on the water, riding the bike on the beach. I mean, for him, this is probably, you just gotta say, from a fun sort of quote unquote holiday. Hey, I'm gonna go ride my new bike in Hawaii. What a sweet way to just get it out there. A little benefit. I don't know what you want to call it. We do have another quote from him saying, quote, "Joining Monster Energy Kawasaki is an amazing opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to this new chapter in my career. The team has already made me feel very supported with anything I need, and they're here to give me the tools I need to win. I believe this is the next step I need to compete for championships, and I am motivated for the 2026 season." But even that, obviously, you're not going to say I'm motivated for the 2027 season. Obviously, that just would not make sense. But it's kind of weird that, at least as far as I can see, there is no notice, no news on how long this is. And obviously, that's not a big surprise in this sport. I want to call it PR for this is lacking. Let's be honest here. Length, monetary numbers, whatever it is, it's going to be one of those things that who knows. I mean, obviously, I'm assuming this is probably at least a 2 year deal. There's no way that somebody, like I said, of his championship quality or caliber is going to race on a 1 year deal. And I mean, maybe they did. They might have said, "Oh, we got burned really hard with Jorge Prado. We're going to start doing shorter deals now with these big money guys." And obviously, joining him in the number 2 ride, whatever you want to call it, Garrett Marchbanks moving up from the pro circuit team. So we're going to see how that goes. Now, personally, this is going to be a big year, obviously. Chase Sexton moving over from Kawasaki. From moving over from KTM to Kawasaki right after Jorge Prado had that horrible year, right? If he comes out and he is ripping, he's just super fast, right up onto the top competitive, it's going to make Prado look stupid. Talking about the bike problems, I never felt comfortable, and blah, 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 blah. If Sexton comes over and just looks like a championship level rider, it's going to be kind of a joke. I mean, especially with the supposed news of Prado moving over to KTM. If he does bad over there, it's going to be, well, it was him and not the bike. But obviously, we're going to have to see. We're 60 something days from A1 now. So he's got a good amount of time. I mean, I'm assuming he's already been on that bike for a while. Not that just that we haven't seen, but 2 months of training time, getting ready for Supercross, getting everything dialed in the way that he wants and to be comfortable on it. This is going to be a year to look forward to. Let's see if he can stop the front tucks and just have a good year. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. You think this is a good idea for him, good idea for the team? How well do you think he does next year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.